morning. Today we're just outside Kendal. We're at a farmhouse and it's going to be a warm one today. I'll just show you what the temperature is. Currently, what are we at? We're now 24.5, nearly 25 degrees centigrade, and it's only 8:30 in the morning. So this is what we're going to do today. We're going to actually split it over 2 days because the heat's going to be so bad. So it's this front here. So you can see there's quite a lot of staining. This is water runoff here, so it should clean up. And up here, some swallows' nests up here, so we'll have to be careful with water there, so we'll have to work around those. And so we're going to do this side today. So we've treated this side here. A lot of the staining has already gone. And then what we'll do, we'll then rinse this off with hot water. Basically it's 60 degrees and it will remove any of the dead spores. And then after that we'll put a biocide on it and we'll leave that on to continually work. So if you look here, you can see the mould and the staining on here. So here, quite bad. All up there, you can see some moss in there. Down here, moss, mould. So I've just literally treated this a few minutes ago. And that's working on there, and then that bit hasn't been treated. So we finished this property now, and I'll walk you around. Actually, you can see how it's brightened up. This side was really bad. We didn't disturb the house martins. There's their nests up there. Been a really warm one, this has. So we did this courtyard and the stonework there. But as you can see, it's really bright. enjoyed this video, please press the like button, and if you subscribe then you'll get notifications of future videos. So we've got quite a lot coming on, actually it's a busy time for us. We'll see you on the next one.